how you guys doing? It's your girl Queen Liko. We are back at it with another video, okay? Look at. So I'm at my sisters, and here is my nephew. Say what's up.
What's up?
He's eating meat. Okay, so guys, I received this parcel. Like there are 3 things here. So I decided an unbox. Boo boo, I'm making a video. I want to show people what's in the boxes.
I want to see.
Okay, come and sit here.
Okay.
Okay guys, I think we have to do the 2 of us now. So I want to show you what's here. Sit. Okay. 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 All right, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have 3 boxes. I have a small one, medium size, and a big one. So which one should we start with?
This one. Oh.
The big one? Okay, so you say we start with this one. So we are going to start with this one. I don't know what's inside. Let me do this. Okay. Oh, the light. The light is right up our heads. Okay. This is our knife. This is our scissors today. Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh man. Oh man.
This is for who?
It's for me. Oh my god, guys. What?
This is for who?
This is for me, my boy.
But which one is mine?
Okay, we'll buy for you. We'll buy for you. We'll buy for you.
I want this one as well.
Guys, so these are the show them this, okay? So these are the like this is the head wrap, the head what? The head stand for the GoPro. GoPro, yeah. Because people were telling me to say, oh my god, man. Wait, let's do this. Let's start with you. Wait. Yeah. So you put the camera here. Oh, look. This is our model today. So this is the head gear. I don't know, the head what?
Yeah.
So this is the head, I think this is the back strap.
I can try this one.
Okay. I think this is the hand strap. I don't know what this is, but anyway, as we go on, we're gonna be using all this stuff. I know this one is for when you're swimming, and then yeah, so this one is a body, it's like a vest, a body vest. A body what?
Vest?
Yeah. And then this one is also another selfie stick that you can use to mount the GoPro.
Ah!
I know, right? I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's there also. Suction cup. I was actually asking the Kumba guy about this.
Big Mama.
So, yeah?
This one looks like a car.
Yeah, this one looks like a car. So I was asking the Kumba guy.
Feet.
Yeah. I was asking the Kumba guy about this.
No.
Now I have one. So when I'm doing those road trips, I have what to use. Guys. Okay, I think these are just some other part. Oh, the bicycle and the motorbike.
Where is it?
There.
Here.
I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's also there.
What is this?
This is the hand wrap also.
Mama, what is
This one when you're cycling on the bicycle and then you put it so that it can be capturing. You put the camera here, you mount the camera here so that as you are cycling, it shoots the front footage. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. And then like I have some more stuff here, guys, that I will learn how to use them. Let's put back.
No, one small one.
Yeah, we are putting back this one so that we open. So now we're gonna be opening the small one. And now guys, we are opening this one. It's so light. I don't know what's here really. Like, it's so light. Are you ready? Okay, we have to be careful. Remove. Oh, okay. I think these are just batteries because I was complaining to someone, the person that I was chatting with. I was like, oh my batteries are like, they've been draining of late. Like they drain so fast. So now I have 3 batteries. So now I have 6. So they sent me 3 more batteries. And by the way, thank you, my boy. Uh-oh. So guys, the guys that sent me these things. Okay guys, so the person that sent me these things is actually one person. And he said I shouldn't mention his name. It's a he. He said I shouldn't mention his name, but I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Man. So this is the last one. I think this was opened. No way! No ways! No! No to the no! Hell no! Say no!
Ow!
No, guys, no! What? No ways! Man, guys! I've been wanting this camera. Jesus Christ. Jesus knows. Move here, boo-boo, before you fall. And then move back. Good boy.
Hope I'll get that one.
Yeah. Guys, like I've been wanting this camera, okay? Oh my god! I've been wanting it. I've been wanting this camera. Like, I've been wanting this. No way! What? Oh my god, I feel like crying right now, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Man, what? No ways. No ways, guys. What? Guys. Oh my god. Oh, maybe this is a prank. I have to check if it's inside here. I have to check if it's in here. I have to check. Right, Bobo?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. You want to fall? Mm-hmm. Why? You want to go and watch? Okay. Keep quiet. Okay. Wow. Bubu, now keep quiet. I want the video. Guys, I don't even know how to use this. I don't know if I have to open. I don't know. Man, what is in here? What, like, is there? I think there must be something here.
What is this?
I don't know. Don't pull it, Bubu. Don't pull it, my love. Okay. Don't.
It looks like medicine.
It's not medicine. What is in here? What's this? What is this? What is this? Oh, I don't know what this
Big
is.
Grandma.
Like there's something here. Can you see
Let me
that?
see.
Wait, boo boo. Can you see that? Look. So there's this. What is this? I think this is a SD card, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know.
What is in here?
These are batteries. You can check this one out. I think that's a memory card. Yeah, it looks like a memory card. And then I have
What's that?
this,
Cosmo?
and I think this is a charger also. I'll just remove it. Yeah, this is a charger. Man, I've been wanting this camera. I didn't know that it's heavy like this, but man, we're here. How do they even? Oh my God! I did it!
What's the way I want to
Jim
do?
Russia.
What's the way I want to do?
Jim Russia.
Let me try.
Don't remove this. I don't know. Jim Russia, guys. Let's try switching it on. Does it go on?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe we have to charge it or something like that.
Look at this going on.
Yeah, it's going around like it's got a gimbal. Anyway, guys, so this is all I wanted to show you today. I am super happy and thank you so much, Anonymous, for this. It's just, I don't know, you know. I thought maybe people joke when they are chatting with us and asking us what we want and all that. Yeah. So I just want to say thank you so much, guys, and I am so happy to. I hope my. And guys, I'm so sure I'm gonna be using this. I have to learn this week and next week because that other week we got.
Big Mama, you know this is for what that's for like this.
Yeah, a form. Okay, good. Ignore that. So anyway, guys, I'll be using this
What is in here?
early October. So I'll be telling you to say today I'm using a new camera and yeah. So thank you so much. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Peace out. Say peace out.
Peace out.
On the camera here.
Peace out.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.